30 minutes to get in.
For real?
Yeah.
I just heard about it right now.
I called back saying, "Do you guys forget to come?"
No way.
Yeah, I called at 12:10. It's 12:40 now.
No
I
shit.
told them there was electrical box smashed, and like wires exposed, and like are there any injuries? I'm like, I don't know. There's elderly people involved though, and the cars are smashed.
Wow.
I'm not a doctor, but the old man in the hat over here, the White Sox or whatever, he was getting out of his car really slow, like he got spun out and got, hit this backwards.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you like see the whole thing, or?
No, I came through the intersection with my car and then heard BAM and the screech behind me. So I was like, oh, I gotta
Wow.
see if everybody's okay.
You're a true good Samaritan there. Appreciate you.
Are you with the police department or?
No. Independent news.
Oh.
I know, that's a long drop. He did? Well, hopefully he can sign the next one.
That's an electrical box right there. Oh, here's another involved vehicle.
So you at the sheriff's department, or the cops or something?
No.
What are you, just some kind of blogger or something?
A blogger? Yeah, you could say that.
Oh yeah. What do you do when you take pictures like this?
What do you mean?
You sell them, or how do you make money at it?
Do I
You
need to
make
make
any money
money?
doing this?
I can't really get into it.
Really?
Yeah, what?
You can't talk about it?
I mean, I can. I'm just gonna choose not to. You seem kind of.
Okay.
You seem kind of mad or something.
Oh yeah.
I don't know.
This vehicle and that truck right there were involved in an accident. This electrical box right here, some of the panels to it, I believe it belongs to Spectrum because they showed up. So yeah, this vehicle ended up bumping into that pole and ran into the electrical box. You guys gonna put it on Instagram or what?
I don't do any of that stuff. Yeah.
What is your job, sir?
What? I'm just documenting.
Why?
Why?
Yes.
It's for news purposes.
Okay. What news?
Why?
Well, you tell me.
Why do I
I'm
need?
challenging you.
You're challenging me?
Yes, I am.
About what? What's the challenge? That I'm not really news?
I don't know.
Can you elaborate?
I'm just asking.
I'm just trying to understand too. Don't turn into the news story, my guy. He already did. That's the driver. Pole doesn't look too bad, but yeah, the biggest casualty is this electrical box right here. What are you doing? Of course it's the driver. He's mad because we all saw like what he did. I'm basically unintentionally putting him on blast. So he's a grumpy Gus. Said that. Grumpy Gus. He said he was challenging me, dude. Get out of here. Dang it. Am I gonna have to make a video about that dude? Shit. Dang it. All these people forcing me to make videos about him? Excuse me, sir. What is this thing right here?
That's a power supply for charter communications.
Got you.
Pretty much our feed from PG&E.
Okay.
And that pretty much runs our network plan.
Is there gonna be some down?
So right now we do currently have an outage.
Got you.
We have about like 400 customers down.
Got you. Hey, thank you. I appreciate you talking to me.